Hi everybody and Happy New Year! Oh my god, it's incredible how time flies. By the way, I showed you some things I got this Christmas, but I still didn't show you the main present. I already opened it and unboxed it and used it a lot. So this will be not a real unboxing video, but let's do it like it is. So this is the box and it's empty. And ta-da! I got the new MacBook! This is the 15.4-inch model in color space gray. It's super light and I really love it.
First of all, now it's off, but when you open the screen, it's automatically on. It's all clean because it's brand new. It weighs only 3.02 pounds, so it's super light. The display is 15.4 inch and it's Ultra HD, with a super elegant black backlit keyboard with the speakers on both sides. The trackpad is much more bigger than my old one, and it has also this 720p HD FaceTime camera. You can access with the password, but there is this brand new Touchbar which allows you to access with the fingerprint. Isn't that super cool? And it's not only for access, because it changes with every application. This is the volume, and this is the light, Siri, and more. I'm using it for editing my videos. It had 2 Thunderbolt ports on the left and 2 on the right, and the jack for the headphones. The screen is super thin, much thinner than my iPhone 6. I'm still learning how to use it. I know they can make much more than that.
It's really expensive, but it's worth it. I've asked for a Canon 60 or 80, but instead I got this, and it's much more appreciated because I use it for editing my videos. And oh my god, look, it's so elegant. It's super thin and super light. I love it so much. So thank you so much for watching my first ever unboxing video of a MacBook of this channel. I really hope you like it. Please give a like, subscribe and share this video if you want to support me. And that's it. See you in my next video. Bye!